This video will cover everything you need to know about EZ-FLO's hose unit. We will start with the unboxing. Whether you purchase the 2 gallon, the 3/4 gallon, or the heavy duty 1 gallon, each tank is packed like this with a set of clear and black tubes, shutoff valves and flow discs, and a hose connection. Each tank comes with a set of instructions which include diagrams for different feed rates and install options. It also comes with a pamphlet with different products that you can use, as well as a fertilizer calendar on the back. Setting up your EZ-FLO is made easy by color coding the different tubes. Cut the black and the clear tubes and attach a shutoff valve to each one. When connecting the tubes to the hose connection, remember that the black tube goes with the blue fitting and the clear tube goes with the green fitting. The colors on the hose connection should match the colors on the cap: clear to green and black to blue. Our flow discs are designed for irrigation systems with low flow or single drip zones. Watch our instruction video to learn how to choose the correct disc for your landscape. Make sure not to leave any air in the tank and to flush the hoses after each use. We have a pressure regulator here. These heavy duty units are rated at 80 psi constant pressure on a single zone, and the other units have a 50 psi rating without constant pressure. For added convenience, you should install the hose fitting before the hose so you don't have to carry the unit around with you. You can also cut the tubes to the appropriate length. Our hose units can handle hazardous and non-hazardous products. These come in the form of either liquid or water-soluble powder products. Remember to fill the system to capacity, leaving no room for air, and then put the cap back on. Before operating, make sure the shutoff valves are turned on, then turn on your hose. Notice the color change in the clear tubing when you adjust the feed setting. For this video, I will dial it to the number 2 setting. Use your hose to address hot spots or struggling plant return. Here are a few more ways you can use the EZ-FLO hose units. You can pair this unit with a drip line and battery operated timer to feed your garden, potted plants, or flower beds daily. Another option is to pair this unit with a battery operated timer and a hose to a sprinkler to feed your turf daily. You can also use our CBV pipe connection to connect to your irrigation and to be used for constant pressure. To do this, simply install it after the valve to isolate the zone. This will help you save water and add curb appeal to your property.